Hello guys, in this video I will show you when you leave a apartment, when you move from one apartment to another apartment, and what you need to do, what you need to clean in that apartment you are living. As you know that if you don't clean the apartment properly, you might get a big amount of fine. So nobody wants to pay fine, and me, I don't want to pay fine. So I have moved to another apartment, and this is my old apartment, and I did a clean of this apartment. So I will show you what to clean when you leave the apartment. So first of all, you need to move all your furnitures from the apartment that you already know, and after that what you're gonna do, you will start cleaning all the walls, and then kitchen. Most important part is kitchen. I will show you the kitchen part. So look at the kitchen part. It's so shiny, neat and clean. So you need to clean all of this, even the oven. You need to clean this burner. It has to be really clean. And then the fridge, some people leave the fridge, they don't clean, and you can get fined. So don't do that. You need to clean everything inside the fridge. And what you can do, I will tell you I will give you one advice. Leave the door open, so there will not be any smell. When the next resident come in the house, he might get bad smell if you close the refrigerator. So don't do that. Okay, so this is my kitchen. I cleaned everything. You have to clean everything, and one more thing, you also need to clean the glass. This window glass, you need to clean. All the window glass you need to clean. This is the bedroom. I cleaned everything, and all this cuppi, that is called cupboard, you need to clean inside and outside. And then I also cleaned my living room, the glass, window, everything. And also you should clean the balcony. You see the balcony? I also cleaned that. So after that, what you're gonna do, you will do the vacuum. So that might be dust. You will do the vacuum, and you will do the mop at the end. The mopping thing, you will do the mop, and then you will leave. So at the end you can clean the toilet, everything, and then that's it. So if you don't do that, you might get a big amount of fine. How much can you get fine? So for example, if somebody come and clean one room, for example this room, if they clean, they might charge you 200 euros, because some company will come and clean and they will charge. So 200 can be for one room. So if they clean the whole apartment, it can be 500 to 700, or it might be more than 1000 euro if they find something really unusual, and if they replace something. In that case, you might get a bigger amount of fine, and nobody wants to get fined. So I advise you, clean the place, clean the house, and then be free. And one more thing, when you clean the house, the next official day you need to leave the key to the housing apartment. This is how it works in Finland. I don't know any other countries. Maybe it should be the same for all the countries. And then you leave the house. The next day somebody will come and check the house, and if everything goes fine, I do not get any kind of fine. So and now, what is the rent of this kind of apartment? So in this apartment, you can see this is a living room. This is in Finland, of course, and in Vantaa. So you might get different type of rent in different city. For example, if you live in Helsinki, there might be a little bit bigger rent. If you live in Espoo, you might get a little bit lower rent. If you live in Vantaa, I live in Vantaa, you can get a little bit lower rent. So this is a 2-room apartment. This is the room I am now standing. This is living room, and then I will show you bedroom, and this is kitchen. Okay, and there is one toilet. So this is 2-room apartment plus kitchen, and this apartment cost me 850 euros per month plus water bill for 3 person. So now I moved to a 3-room apartment, and that would cost more than 1000 euros. So this is the rent in Finland. And if you have a sauna, you need to pay for the sauna. If you have parking, you need to pay for the parking bill. So this is how you need to pay for the rent in Finland, and this is how you need to clean the apartment. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing my channel and put a like when you watch the video. Thank you guys, take care, and bye bye.